My working from home morning routine starts with cuddles with my puppy Luna and a peanut bone treat. Then it's matcha time. I find that matcha feels less intense than coffee first thing. I save my coffee for mid-morning. I usually have some form of movement in my morning, which at least 3 times per week will be yoga. I enjoy making my morning a series of rituals, including washing and styling my hair. I feel the Kerasilk products help me to find that time to really appreciate and enjoy them. Since using the products, I've noticed a significant difference in the health and appearance of my hair, and they smell absolutely amazing. I don't wear much makeup, but I do love a cream blush. Choosing an outfit has to be professional and comfortable when I'm seeing clients from home, also because there will be a few dog walks to figure in throughout the day. Then it's back to make a pot of milk oolong tea, check my emails, and start my virtual nutrition clinic for the day, with a little furry PA of course.